grinding away over there in the Weather Center this morning, analyzing all the data. This storm's tough, huh? Because of the duration, and it's location dependent as well.
Yeah, so we've had these bands of very heavy snow that have set up. So, for example, Boston's picked up over a foot of snow. We've had about 3 inches at TF Green Airport. So big differences depending on your location. And that banding where we see light to moderate snow will continue throughout the day today.
Exactly. So it won't be coming down really hard the entire morning and afternoon, but there will be times where the snowfall picks up a bit. And I actually just got a report from my friend who lives in Norwood, Massachusetts. That's kind of right in between here in Boston. He has 7 inches. So that transition zone, it changes a lot by just a few miles. And you can see on live Pinpoint Doppler 12 that the snow continues to fill in. Actually, these are snowfall amounts. And you can see, how about Norwell, Massachusetts? That is south of Boston on the eastern shore, 16 inches already. Boston, Logan at a foot of snow, Pasco at 5, Pawtucket at 4 inches, Westport at 3, and Wickford at 2.5. I just saw a report recently from West Warwick, Michelle, that the snowfall has started to pick up there, and you can kind of see it with this banding on the radar.
Yeah, so the darker blues that we're noting here across 295 stretching down now into parts of West Warwick where the snowfall intensity has picked up. It's much lighter near the coastline, but we do have this icy glaze that's been falling through the night and now early this morning there. So the snowfall amounts will be lighter at the coast compared to the northern part of Rhode Island and certainly up into Boston, but you're going to have your fair share of travel troubles around there. You know, talking about Pasco and the snow intensity, you can see it here from our time lapse from Echo Lake. Certainly a moderate snow falling right now. Our threat tracker Futurecast, we're going to keep it up in the high category throughout the entire day today. Even into tonight, we'll continue with lingering snow showers. Temperatures right now ranging from the teens and 20s in Rhode Island to low 30s, New Bedford and Taunton, only 16 in Boston. Warm air probably is not going to progress much further west from where it is right now. So big temperature difference continues in and around southeastern New England, and that can be a focus for heavier snow to fall. So something we'll watch for here over the next few hours. Weather planner, the steadiest and heaviest of the snow will be now through about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The evening commute, lighter snow, but it does continue. It'll be spread out over the area and will continue to fall scattered throughout the day. So low pressure will slowly track along that stalled front. Here's what we're looking at for the Futurecast. 9 o'clock this morning. You know, the snow's coming down light to moderate throughout the entire area. Notice as the morning goes on, most of the snow again away from the coastline. See this band of heavy snow just focused over the Boston area. That continues all day long there. They could see 1 to 2 feet of snow by the time this storm system is done. Here we are 5 o'clock in the evening. So notice there's still snow showers around, but not as widespread as the first half of the day. And that trend continues overnight tonight before it finally tapers off to just an isolated snow shower or 2 in the early morning hours tomorrow. So additional snowfall, 3 to 6 inches for Providence, the west and east bays out towards Coventry and northern part of South County through East Greenwich. Portsmouth area would be in that 3 to 6 inch total, and Fall River as well. You'd head up to Boston, 5 to 10 additional inches of snowfall during the day today and into tonight. At our Rhode Island coastline into Buzzards Bay, 1 to 3 inches of additional snow. There may be some isolated 4-inch totals within that, near again where I talked about that temperature difference. So that big snowfall total from the weekend through tomorrow morning would be 15 to 24 inches up in Boston, 9 to 12 northern Rhode Island, northern Bristol County in Massachusetts, 6 to 9 in the Providence area, down through the east and west bays, and about 3 to 6 inches for most of the coastline. So we get through today's storm system. Dry weather for much of Tuesday into Wednesday, and then yet another storm system. This one could be one that brings accumulating snow back into our area starting later Thursday through Thursday night, coming to an end Friday morning. This is a storm system that looks like it'll intensify as it passes by us, so we'll look for gusty winds as well. Saturday, frigid temperatures. Sunday could be more snow. Quite a pattern we're in here. We're going to be breaking records in southern New England. Boston's already well on its way, and the potential for more accumulations around here as well in this week ahead. You can get the updated Futurecast, WPRI.com. Let's go out to Gina for another Jam Cam.